And today is our first series, which is Gardening 101 for you guys. How many of you have a balcony or a terrace which looks like this? Does it have a hanger where your clothes are drying? Or you have a radhi jahan pe wo hai? But how many of you dreamt of having a balcony where they can go out and play with their kids, spend the morning tree looking at the nature around, or can have a candlelight dinner with your wife? Well, uh, dreams without action still remains a dream. What I will gonna do in the next 1 minute is make this dream into actions and make your balcony look like a paradise.